Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine at home. So, dear students, as per schedule, it's our maths class, and today we will do exercise 3.5. This is the last exercise. After that, exercise 3.6 is also left, but we will do later on. So, in this exercise, we will do word problem sums. Before starting our work, let me tell you some of the subtraction keywords, and these keywords will help you when you will solve word problems. Here are the some keywords like how many more, left with, find the difference, greater than, remained, how much more. These are the keywords that will help you when you will solve your word problems. So once again we will revise how many more, left with, find the difference, greater than, remained, and how much more. Hope you will remember these. Okay. So let's start our exercise. So dear students, here the first question is given to us. Abdul got 88 marks and Rahim got 92 marks in a mathematics test. How many more marks did Rahim get than Abdul? First of all, we will read the statement carefully, and after reading the statement, we will try to find out the keyword. Now you will talk about what is the keyword. Keyword that I told you earlier about subtraction, like how many more, how much more, difference, left with, like this. So here you can see how many more is the keyword. We will underline this. Means why we will underline this? Because we can easily know that what we have to do in this sum. Now we have read the statement. After that we will try to write their digits in their places. The first is number of marks Rahim got. So how many marks Rahim got? As you can see, Abdul got 88 marks, but Rahim got 92 marks. So here we will write 90 and 2. After that, number of marks Abdul got. So Abdul got 88 marks. Here we will write 88. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. So here we will put the symbol of subtraction. And always we will start from ones place. Here 2 and 8. So always we will write bigger digit first, and we will subtract smaller digit from the bigger digit. But here 2 is given and 2 is smaller than 8. So what we will do? Here we will borrow from 9. We will borrow here. Now here the digit is 8, and if we will add 110 with 2, it will become 12. Means now it will be easy for us. Now we can subtract 8 from 12. What you will get if you will subtract 8 from 12? We will get 4. What we will get? We will get 4. And here now you can see 8 and 8. If two digits are same, means if you are having two pencils and you had given two pencils to me, now how many pencils you have? 0, because you had given all the pencils to me. So 8 minus 8, it will be 0. So more marks Rahim got, 4. It means Rahim got 4 more marks than Abdul. Let's have next sum. Here the question is given, find the difference between 350 and 185. Same. First of all, we will find out the keyword. Here the keyword is given difference. Means we have to subtract this. Greater number. Which one is greater? 350 or 185? 350 is the greater number. So we will write it here. 350. And next is smaller number. Smaller number is 185. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. Here is 0 and here is 5. So we cannot subtract. Again we will follow the borrow rule. We will take 1 10 from this. Here it will become 4 tens. And if we will add 1 tens with 0, it will become here 10. And if we will subtract 5 from 10, answer we will get 5. And here is 4 and here is 8. Now we can subtract? No, we can't subtract. So now we will take borrow from our neighbor. Who is our neighbor? Hundreds. If we will take 100 from this, means here it will be 2 and now it will become 14. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 14. 14 minus 8, it will become 6. And here 2 minus 1. If we will subtract 1 from the digit, answer we will get the previous digit. Means the previous digit of 2 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Here the difference of 350 and 185 is 165. We will solve two more sums. So let's start. Here is, out of 512 fruits, a grocer sold 375. How many fruits were left with him? Now we have read the statement. Our next step is to underline the keyword. Here the keyword is left. Means we have to subtract. Yes or no? Yes, we have to subtract. So first is total number of fruits. How many fruits were there? 512. So total fruits 512. And number of fruits sold, here you can see 375. So here we will write 375. And as you know, we have to subtract. So we will put the symbol of subtraction here. And now we will subtract. See, 2 and 5. We have to subtract 5 from 2. Can you? No. Then what we will do? We will take borrow. Here it will become 0. And now here it is 12. Now we can subtract 5 from 12 easily. So 12 minus 5, it is 7. Now here is 0 and here is 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 0. So what we will do? We will take 1 from this. Now it is 10 and here it is 4. So easily we can subtract 7 from 10. Yes, 10 minus 7 is 3. and here is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 137. Means 137 fruits were left with him. The next sum is, there were 510 books in a store. If 295 books out of them were sold, how many books remained in the store? So after reading the statement, we have to underline the keyword. Here is the keyword is remained. Now we will start writing the digits according to their places. Total number of books in the store. How many books were there? 510 books. 510 books. And if 295 books out of them were sold, how many books were sold there? 295. And we have to subtract. So here we will put symbol. Don't forget to put the symbol of subtraction here. Yes, so start subtracting here. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. We will cut this and we will put here 10. And now here it has become 0.